Kenmore Series 100 Dealing with water leaks. Experiencing water leaks with your Kenmore Series 100 washer can be frustrating. But addressing this issue doesn't have to be daunting. Below, we explore common causes and solutions for water leaks. Let's dive into inspecting hose connections and seals. Hose connections. First, check the hose connections at the back of your washer. Ensure they are secure and not damaged. Loosely connected hoses can lead to water leaks. Follow these steps. Turn off the water supply to your washer. Inspect the hoses for cracks or wear. If the hoses are damaged, replace them. Tighten the hose connections using a wrench. Turn the water supply back on and check for leaks. Replacing old hoses can prevent leaks and protect your washer. Inspecting seals. Next, inspect the seals around the door and other openings. Worn or damaged seals can cause leaks during the wash cycle. Here's how you can inspect the seals. 1. Open the washer door and examine the rubber seal around the opening. 2. Look for signs of wear, tear, or buildup of debris. 3. Clean the seal with a damp cloth to remove any debris. 4. If the seal is damaged, consider replacing it. Maintaining clean and intact seals helps prevent water from leaking out. By regularly checking hose connections and seals, you can keep your Kenmore Series 100 washer running smoothly and leak-free. Kenmore Series 100 washer is a reliable appliance, but sometimes it can make strange noises. These noises might worry you, but they are often easy to fix. Addressing noise concerns can save you time and effort. Leveling the washer, an unbalanced washer can cause loud noises. To check if your washer is level, use a spirit level. Place it on top of the washer. If the bubble is centered, your washer is level. If not, adjust the legs. Turn the washer's legs clockwise to lower them. Turn the legs counterclockwise to raise them. Ensure all 4 legs are firmly touching the floor. This will help reduce vibrations and noise. Inspecting drum and bearings. The washer drum and bearings can also cause noise. To inspect the drum, open the washer door and spin the drum by hand. Listen for any unusual sounds. If you hear grinding or squeaking, the bearings might be worn out. 1. Remove the back panel of the washer. 2. Check the drum bearings for wear and tear. 3. If the bearings are damaged, replace them. Regular maintenance can keep your washer running smoothly. Check the drum and bearings every few months. This can prevent serious problems and extend the life of your washer.